In this guide, I'll put you through on how to reset forgotten username and password in Kali Linux. Let's just get right into it. All right, look at this. You can see here it requests username and password. So let me assume that I've forgotten them. Okay. Maybe passwords, type anything I want. Then I'll click on login. You can see it says your password is incorrect. Please retry again. All right. So once you're here, the next step is to click on this power button. All right. Then select the restart option. Then it says, are you sure you want to close all programs and restart the computer? Click on restart. Okay. Once you click on that, as the next page opens, click the arrow up or down so that it will not reboot. All right. The arrow up or down of your computer keyboard. All right. Okay. You can see I've been clicking that and it doesn't allow that to restart fully. Use that arrow key and get to this place. Okay. The arrow key up and get here. So be on this Kali GNU/Linux. Okay. Then this first option, after that, press the E key with your computer keyboard. That stands for edit. It will allow us to edit some things. Now, once you're here, use the arrow key down and keep going, all right, until you get to this line where you have echo Linux. Okay, we need to make some changes here, all right. So I will keep on pressing the arrow key that points right until I get to where I want to make some changes here. Okay, I'm in the next line. All right, here you have RO, which stands for read only. But we want to change this O to W so that we can be able to make some changes, okay? So I'll change this to W, right? Then I'll keep on going with the arrow key that points towards the right. After this splash, I will press the backspace key, the space bar key, sorry, so that I will have space. Then I will type init, so follow, all right, equals /bin /bash, all right? Then once you type this, all right, the next step you need to take is to press the control key and the S key of your computer keyboard at the same time, the control and the X key. Once you do that, wait for this to load. All right, here we are taking to this. It's telling us to change the root password. Okay, that's why you have the cursor blinking there. So what you need to do is to type PSSS, which stands for pass WD. That's password, okay? PSSWD. Then you press the enter key of your computer keyboard. Now it's telling you to insert a new password, a new root password. So I will type mine. Please type yours, okay? Then after that, press enter. It will not show on the screen anyway. So I'll press enter. Then it says retype new password. I'll still type that same password again. Press enter after that. You can see here it says password. It says PSSWD password updated successfully. We need to take further steps. And this step is to find out the username of this our Kali machine. So you have to type this grep space dash I space first double quotation. I'll introduce double quotation. I will use the arrow key that points towards the left and push so that I can have what I want to have inside here. Backslash B $, backslash again B, and then space / etc / again shadow. Just take a good look at what I have here. I said grep space dash I space introduce to a double quotation marks. I have this inside backslash B $, backslash B, then you use the arrow key to get out of the double quotation and then space / etc space shadow. All right. Once you're done typing this, press the enter key of your computer keyboard. Now you can see here we have the root username, and my own username here is Kali. All right. So what you need to do here is to type PSSWD. All right. That's password. Then I have discovered my username here, which is Kali. I will type Kali. Remember, your username may be different. It may be your name, okay, or any name you chose initially. Okay, once you discover that, just type PSSWD space that username, then press enter. And here it says I should choose a new password. I will type a new password. Then I'll press enter. Then it says retype new password. Then I will still type that same password. Then I'll press enter. And it says password updated successfully. Now you need to reboot this machine. And for you to reboot that, what you need to type is reboot space -F. After that, press enter. And you can see this machine is rebooting. And here we are. So now that we have discovered your username and have changed your password, type everything here. First is the username, which is in my own case, Kali. Then I'll press enter and type in the new password I changed to now. Okay. Then after that, press enter. And with this, we have now accessed our Kali Linux machine. If this content helps, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. You can check out this video here to learn more on how to complete some tasks on Kali Linux, including installing apps and tools. Thank you and see you some other time.